Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your voice or your microphone in Steam. So if you're playing a game or something like that and you want to go and adjust these settings, go to Steam right here, go to Settings, scroll on down to where it says Voice, the little microphone icon, select this. And then we have Voice Input Device. So right now I just have it default order my system thinks it is, but we can switch it over specifically for Steam. So here's my microphone array, Intel Smart Technology for something. So something built into my laptop. Then we can go to Start Microphone Test and see if our microphone is working. Alright, so it looks like it's working. And then the output device is your speakers or your headphones or something like that. So we can switch it over. It looks like my Fire TV, speaker Realtek audio, that's my laptop my speakers. So we can switch over here. Then we have the input volume or gain. So if our microphone isn't loud enough, so if we bump this up, we can go to Start Microphone Test. Testing 1, 2, 3. Oh, so that's quite a bit louder. So I can bump it up there. Then we can adjust the speakers right here. And we also have voice transmission type open microphone. So if we're just talking. Otherwise, if we go to push to talk, we have to press a specific hotkey and we have to map it right here. Right now it says none. But you could probably put like, I don't know, like V or something on your keyboard. Otherwise, push to mute is probably better. You just press the button and then it's going to stay open until you press it again. So we can assign a key. So I think you just put it on here and then you press a button and it should map it. But I'm just going to keep the open microphone. Play short sound on microphone toggle. Okay. Voice transmission threshold. I believe this is like a noise gate or something like that. So if you're not speaking loud enough, it's not going to pick up your the sound of your voice. And then we have noise cancellation right here. So this is all good to have on. So medium, that should go ahead and eliminate most of the little keyboard clicks. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.